Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Adam from Flower Man. Today's video we're going to make sort of a dream bouquet, one which we can't usually do all the time, but there's unlimited budget and we get to just put whatever comes to our mind together. So we decided to choose some roses and then play around with the roses as a starting base. So I hope you enjoy the video. I guess we're a little bit lucky because we own a flower shop. We go to the market and we're able to select all the flowers that we need for the shop. And then from there, what I usually like to do is I condition all the flowers and then I'll put certain color groups together and then we'll sort of start making a bouquet that way. guess the key idea is just placing flowers together and seeing what works, and then from there we can build on by adding color or keeping it more of a monochromatic design. It's always a good tip to always condition your flowers. Make sure you cut the stems and remove all the leaves if possible. Just makes it a bit easier when you're trying to work a bouquet or make something quicker if everything's already done beforehand. Sort of many ways that I start. Sometimes I can start in the center or with the focus flower, but usually I just start with roses or something that's a medium-sized flower and then just build around that. It's always fun to just keep exploring and seeing what works and doesn't work. So that might just take some time and a lot of placement and thinking about where the flower goes and what the viewer is seeing, which I found important, that you can see everything and that nothing's too hidden, or if it's hidden, it's hidden for a purpose. Thank you for joining our video for today. I hope you liked it and the few extra videos that I thought I'd put together, and maybe we'll keep creating some video contents like this. Maybe I'll talk a bit more while I make it the bouquet, but it is a bit tricky sometimes when customers keep coming in and then I've got to redo the take. So I found it a bit easier and we'll just try it around like this. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and happy flower arranging.